Peeps, Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 2.1 from the 2018 Maths Lit Paper 1, the grade 11 paper. And this question is a financial maths paper question which deals with reading data from a table as well. So it says, Miss Fussy started a small business by selling pies at school and factories close to her workplace. She pays rent of 1,500 Rand per month. It costs her 5 Rand to make and package a pie, and she sells them at 15 Rand each. We have the table about for the income and the cost and income for the business. So as you can see, if she makes a zero number of pies, it means that her cost is still going to be 1,500 and her total income would be 0. And if she makes 50, and so forth. It also gives you some formula. So they've told us that the cost of the pie, the total cost will always be your 1,500 Rand rent plus 5 Rand times N. And then your income will be 15 Rand times N, where N represents the number of pies. So on to 1.1.1. Should I say 2.1.1. This question says, use the table to determine Miss Fussy's break-even amount. So break-even refers to when your total costs equals your total income. So if we look in this table, we see that when her total costs are 2,250, her income is also 2,250, and this is known as her break-even amount. So the answer here is 2,250. Okay, then on to the next question. Calculate the value of A. And A is in the table, and it's in the column where the number of pies equals 50, and it's in the row which has your total cost in rands. And they've given us our total cost formula, and where N is the number of pies. So in this case, N is going to be 50. So for 2.1.2, we can get that our cost equals, so it's the 1,500 Rand for rent plus 5 Rand times by N. N is equal to 50 in this column. So therefore your cost is equal to 1,500 plus your 5 Rand times by 50. 50 times 5 is 250, so it's going to be 1,500 Rand plus 250, and this comes to a total of 1,000, in rands, 1,750 Rand. That's the final answer for that question. Then on to the next one. Show by means of calculation that the value of B is 3,750. So B is here. It is your income in rands, and B is when your number of pies is 250. They have given us the formula for income, which is 15 times N. So for 2.1.3, we have our income formula. So income is equal to 15 Rand multiplied by N. We know that N in this case is 250. Again, let me just remind you, we get that from here because it's the number of pies for the column that B is in. So then we have therefore income is equal to 15 Rand multiplied by 250. You can put that into your calculator and you do indeed get 3,750 Rand, which is what we needed to prove for this question. Finally, calculate the profit if 350 pies are sold. So 350 pies is over here. Now our profit is our income minus our expenses or costs. So I'm just going to do, for more space, 2.1.4. So we know that profit equals income minus your expense so therefore profit for 350 pies is going to equal your income, which you can read off is 5,250. So in rands, 5,250 subtracted by 3,250. So this is over here. And you put this into your calculator and you get that the profit is 2,000 Rand. And that's your final answer and completes question 2.1. Before I go, I just want to give a special thanks to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.